Hi, 7th grade computer science. I hope you guys are all healthy and not going too crazy stuck in the house all this time. I'm going to post a few different things in Google Classroom over time, but for now, I'm going to tell you what to do for the next couple days. Definitely, if you have any questions or concerns or worries or anything like that, feel free to email me. I'll put my email up a couple times before I turn off the camera here. But here we go. Here's what we're doing. If you have access to a computer or laptop, it's okay to continue with whatever lesson you are working on. When you're done with each section, we're going to go to Google Classroom and check for the associated assessment. So there's an assessment for each section. And I have them posted for lessons 1 through 7. So check in there. If you get stuck, email me your question, but make sure when you email me the question that you click the share button on the upper left corner of your screen and copy the URL so that I'm able to see your code, and that way I'll be able to better answer your question. I think my help will be more useful if you can send me the code also. If you only have an iPad, the code.org curriculum is a little clunky, and you can try, but it could be annoying. A couple other options for now. If all you have is your iPad, there is an assignment in the extension activities called Hopscotch Write Your Name. So I want to open that and show that to you. As you can see, here's an example of how I drew my name with commands. And then I also have an example of my code, so you can see some of the commands that I used, and hopefully that'll give you a hint at least how to make straight lines and curves and how to make space between your lines, like between one letter and another. So we're using the draw a trail loop for every place that we want to draw a trail, and then we can use move forward, we can turn little bits inside of a repeat block. There's a lot of different things you can do. Just play with it and have fun. It's going to take a lot of trial and error. It certainly took me a lot of tries to get this done, but it's fun. One other choice, if you are using an iPad and not a computer, is to listen to a podcast. I've loaded some podcast suggestions in Google Classroom, and if you click open the assignment, you'll see a document that has a list of podcasts that are related to programming. Reply All is my favorite, but you guys might like something else. There's quite a variety in there. And then after you listen, rate it. Let me know what you thought and whether you'd recommend it to others and such. And then you can turn that right in. Here's some good news. I just received 5 drones, which I'm really excited about. So hopefully when we get back to school, that will be something to look forward to, that we can program our drones to drive around the building and take pictures. At any rate, stay tuned for more information, and I will keep you updated regularly. And if you need to contact me, my email is glatsa@spsdme.org. I'll definitely be sitting here every day from 9 to 11, but probably most of the day, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You're not expected to work on this class more than 15 minutes a day or so. So my goal is that you just stay plugged into thinking like a programmer and have some fun doing it. So we'll try to do that together and not get too crazy from being in the house too much. And just to review, if you have a computer, keep going on code.org. At the end of each lesson, find and complete the assignment in Google Classroom. If you are using your iPad, try the Hopscotch Write Your Name activity or the podcast listen assignment. Whichever you choose, turn it into Google Classroom, ask for help when you need it, and try to have some fun doing this. Bye!